guys, this is X Guy and oh, where's my mouse? Oh geez. Okay, hey guys, this is X Guy and in today's video we are going to be using Python again. So let's get started. Basically today we're going to be doing variables and ifs and else. So let's get started. The X Guy. Okay, so let's get started. So, one, we need to set a variable. This is all in Python 2, but I'm pretty sure you can use it in Python 3. So, we need to set a variable. A. Now let's assign it a number. Let's put A equals, I don't know, oh geez, I don't know, maybe 1. And B, let's put another one, B. And let's make that 5. Now here comes the fun part, if and else. So let's put if A is less than B, so what is less than B, put a colon. Literally, when I was trying to test this yesterday, I literally killed myself because I didn't put a colon and I didn't know that. As soon as I put a colon, I realized my mistake is that I exploded. So, and if it does that, if B is greater than A, print 1. If it's not, put an enter or click tab or press tab, and then put else, no indentation, colon, enter tab, print 2. So basically what it's saying is A is 1, where's my mouse? A is 1, B is 5. If 5 is greater than 1, then print 1. If it's not, or if it's something else, then print 2. So if we click the play button, it puts 1. But let's try something else. Let's make A 5 and B 1. So it would say if 1 is greater than 5, which it isn't, but if it was, it would print 1. But right now it's not, so else it was going to print 2. That's it. So thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. I will do more advanced videos in the future, like defining hello as this and that or whatever. So thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. We'll see you all next time. Bye.